Let us start. So good morning. Welcome to this new session of online class. So now today it is 1st of Jet. So on 1st of Jet, so I have brought here 4 or 5 solutions which I have thought should be necessary for the students. Like I have given number also 7D. Prove that sin x into sin 60 degree minus x into sin 60 degree plus x equal to 1 by 4 sin 3x. So in the exercise there are some more questions of this type. So by seeing this solution you can apply similar technique in those also. So let us start with LHS sin x into, so you can see here, now multiply 1 by 2 and 2 in this manner. Multiply 1 by 2 into 2 in left side. Are you watching carefully?
Yes, sir.
Now next line, this part is same. Now this bracket of angle, consider A, this as B. 2 sin A sin B. What is the formula of 2 sin A sin B? Can anyone say?
Cos A minus B minus cos A plus.
Yes. So this is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Is it?
Yes, sir.
60 minus x, here 60 plus x both became negative because cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. If you see here 60 cancelled, here x cancelled. From this side cos minus 2x minus cos 120 degree. I am not mentioning this part, it is continue. Now cos minus theta is cos theta. So you can write cos minus 2x as cos 2x minus a cos 180 to 120 degrees minus 1 by 2. So in next line, cos 2x as 1 minus 2 sin a square x, because gradually you have to go closer to RHS. 1 minus 2 sin a square x minus minus plus 1 by 2. Now you say 1 and half is 3 by 2. So you can do LCM addition. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 minus 2 sin a square x. Now take LCM here. 2 is LCM, so 3 minus 2 to the 4 sin a square x. Now this 2 and this 2 will become 1 by 4. Now multiply sin x inside this bracket. 3 into sin x, 3 sin x minus 4 into sin x into sin square x is 4 sin cube x. Now this bracket is a formula. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x is equal to sin 3x. So RHS,
Yes.
we have got RHS 1 by 4 sin
3.
So I think some of you have joined late. This is solution of 7D. I cannot repeat now because the time will pass. So we have 40-minute limit. So this class will end just before 10:40. Now this is Here, uh, this is question number 8. So it is cos. From where noise is coming? If there is background noise, then you mute your. If there is no background noise, then you can unmute. Now, cos 36 degree minus theta into cos 36 degree plus theta plus cos 54 degree plus theta into cos 54 degree minus theta equal to, it is cos 2 theta, it was cut due to photo editing. Right side is cos 2 theta. So now see, this is product of two trigonometric ratios plus another product of trigonometric ratios. So mind it, we have to convert product into sum or difference, whatever is possible. So for that, we need two cos A cos B type. To bring that situation, we will multiply 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 by 2 and 2. So 2, see, I am saying A and B. 2 cos A cos B plus, see, copy of first line, 2 cos A cos B. Here 36 minus theta, 36 plus theta, this side 54 degree plus theta, 54 degree minus theta. Now you observe this part, see the mouse. Observe. Now 2 cos A cos B, you know cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So write this is A, noise is disturbing. Now it is nice. I have muted everyone. Now A, B. So cos A plus B, 2 cos A cos B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This is separate term plus again cos A plus B plus K A minus B. So here theta cancelled, here 36 cancelled, here theta cancelled, here 54 cancelled. So 36 plus 36 cos 72. Here theta minus theta, cos minus 2 theta, I have directly written cos 2 theta. Skipped minus sign because this is permitted in case of cos. Now here 54 plus 54, 108. Again theta plus theta, 2 theta. So cos 72 degree plus cos 2 theta plus cos 108 degree plus cos 2 theta. Now cos 2 theta appears twice, so we write 2 cos 2 theta. And cos A plus cos B, 72 as A, 108 as B. You can see, consider 108 as A, 72 as B. Because in plus sign, you can do both ways. If there is minus sign, then you have to stick to which is first, that is A, which is second, that is B. Now cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So 2 cos 2 theta plus 72 plus 108 is 180 by 2 is 90 degree. 2 cos 90 degree, here difference divided by 2, it is negative, but in case of cos we have written cos 18 degree. Now This part will be 0 because value of cos 90 degree is 0. 2 into 0 into this, it will be 0. So this part is removed. What is left? 1 by 2 into 2 cos 2 theta. So 2 cancel, finally cos 2 theta. So I hope you have understood. So if you have problem, then note down, then ask me when I will unmute you all. Now this is solution of 10a. Prove that cos A plus cos B whole square. You can see question. Go through the question. So I hope you have read the question. Okay. Cos A plus B whole square plus sin A plus sin B whole square. So apply cos C plus cos D formula with a square outside. 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 whole square. Here also sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. But here in place of C and D, there is A and B. Now with a square, 2 will become 4 cos A square A plus B into cos A square A minus B by 2. Again 4 with this plus sign. Sin A square A plus B by 2 cos A square A minus B by 2. Now you just observe the term left of plus and right of plus. 4 cos A square A minus B by 2 is common. So 4 cos A square A minus B by 2, take common, bracket, it will be cos A square A plus B by 2 from left and sin A square A plus B by 2 from right. So this total is 1 because for any combination of angle, cos A square theta plus sin A square theta is equal to 1. See, the same angle is there. So this bracket is 1, only this is left. So that is RHS. Simple. Now see, this is very peculiar question. If you will not go with this trick, it will be very lengthy and very difficult to solve. So there is a trick in this question number 13. So in the end, I'll ask you if anyone has solved this. Prove that cos 2 pi by 7 plus cos 4 pi by 7 plus cos 6 pi by 7 equal to minus 1 by 2. This is to be done. Now it's too hot. I'll switch on fan. So here there is only simple trick. 1 by 2 sin pi by 7. This you have to multiply. To adjust, you have to write 2 sin pi by 7. Simple. Mind it. This bracket contains LHS. So this is extra. 2 sin pi by 7 upon 2 sin pi by 7. So this will keep outside and this will insert inside. So now check. 1 by 2 sine pi by 7, it is outside. So now till the end it is outside. And inside 2 sine pi by 7 cos 2 pi by 7 plus 2 sine pi by 7 cos 4 pi by 7 plus 2 sine pi by 7 cos 6 pi by 7. In every term 2 sine pi by 7 was multiplied. Now see which formula it can be used. This is sine, this is cos, there is 2. 2 sine A cos B. So you know sine 2 sine A cos B is sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. We will apply in this part, we will apply in this part, and we will apply in this part with respective angles. 2 sine A cos B, sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Now second, sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Here B is 4 pi by 7. And third part, this 2 sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Means in every section, first, second, third, which formula we have applied? 2 sine A cos B equal to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Now simplify. Sine pi by 7 plus 2 pi by 7, 2 pi plus pi, it will be sine 3 pi by 7. Here this difference will be sine minus pi by 7 plus sine 4 plus 1, 5 pi by 7, sine, this difference is sine minus 3 pi by 7 plus this sum is sine 7 pi by 7 plus sine minus 5 pi by 7. Now again rewrite sine 3 pi by 7, this sine minus theta is minus sine theta. This is not like cos. Minus sine pi by 7 plus sine pi 5 pi by 7 minus sine 3 pi by 7 plus this 7 pi by 7 will be sine pi minus sine 5 pi by 7. Now see 3 pi and minus 3 pi by 7 cancel. Sine 5 pi by 7 minus sine pi by 7 cancel. What is left? Minus sine pi by 7 plus sine pi means sine 180 degree is 0. Is it? Now 0 is meaningless, it can be removed. So now what is left? 1 by 2 sine pi by 7 into minus sine pi by 7. So minus plus minus here 1 by 2 sine pi by 7 into sine pi by 7. This sine pi by 7 got cancelled, minus 1 by 2 left. This is RHS. So in my opinion, this is most difficult question in this exercise, because if you don't apply this trick, it will take too long, many pages to solve by alternate methods. So this is best way. Sometimes you have to know some useful tricks. Now 14, question number 14. See the question carefully. Prove that x equal to y cot alpha plus beta by 2. This is to be proved. This is the given condition. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to x cos beta plus y sin beta. This is given condition. This you have to achieve in the end. So question looks difficult, but it is very simple. So this is given fact, this condition. Now what we will do, we will bring both cos together and both sin together. So from left x cos alpha, from right minus x cos beta equal to y sin beta minus y sin alpha. Now take x common, cos alpha minus cos beta. Here take y common, sin beta minus sin alpha. See the order. Now in this bracket apply cos c minus cos d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c. See here. 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. Right side sin c minus sin d. So 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Now 2 and 2 is factor of both sides, so cancel. Sin beta minus alpha by 2 and sin beta minus alpha by 2 is also common factor, so cancel. What is left? X sin alpha plus beta by 2 equal to y cos alpha plus beta. Keep x here, send this factor to right side. X equal to y, so cos alpha plus beta by 2 upon this one sin alpha plus beta by 2. So x equal to y cot alpha plus beta by 2. That was to be proved. So this is my last presentation. Now I will unmute you and I will ask you questions. So it will be better if you switch on your video also. I can recognize you. Uh, I will ask you one by one. Kausal, how many solutions?
Yes, sir.
How many solutions I have presented? 4.
Sir, 4. Yes.
So have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Divyaswari, Divya.
Yes, sir.
See, this I am saying, repeating this. I will post this video in virtual class also. So from there you can view it repeatedly, as many times as you wish. Yesterday I forgot to record that. So recording is not there. But yesterday only few solutions I had given. So Ujjwal, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Had you done these sums before?
No, sir, I hadn't did. I am reaching there.
Oh yes. Kushbu,
Yes, sir.
have you understood today's solutions or not?
Yes, sir.
Richa,
Yes, sir.
Chavi Rathi is mute.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Priyanka,
Yes, sir.
good. Sitish, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Why was you late today?
Sir, I was feeling sick.
Sick?
Please.
Hey, be
Due to-
careful, because you know, no doctor, if there is fever and cough, no doctor will see you. So be careful. Maybe due to normal influenza. Hospitals won't admit, doctors will not attend.
Yes, sir. So I was taking rest a lot.
Anusa Bujel. Anusa Bujel. Unmute.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Jia,
sir.
Jia Shah, you was very late. Jia Shah. Hey, unmute. She doesn't know or she don't want. Melissa Bhatrai fled away. Okay, now you can ask if you have any question.
No question, sir.
No, other problems which you have done till now. Hey, Khushbu, Siddhi, Siddhi Vyas. Melissa Bhatrai,
Yes, sir.
why did you join late? I had informed you at least 1 hour before.
No, I leave and I just came.
Why you left? This is classroom. So you joined late and frequently going out and in, out and in. This is not good habit.
Okay, sir.
So you just prepare all notebooks.
Yes, sir.
Siddhi Vyas. Siddhi Vyas.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday you had asked one question.
Yes,
And
sir.
I had given you one hint. Was it sufficient?
Yes, sir. I solved it.
So you always be innovative. Try different methods, different tactics. And there are very few questions which require a special tricks. So you have to keep in mind those tricks for later use. So if you don't have any question, then I will end this class. No question. I have unmuted you all. You don't have any question. So tomorrow be better prepared. If you want to raise question, then it is useless. At least we should utilize 40-minute time. Okay, look. So have a nice day. I am ending this class. Thank you very much.